Well, it's that time of year again, Tony. Roy, we got to come up with a new intro for this tape. I think that old stuff's getting too old. 2 years in a row, it's too much. I think we got to come up with something new.
Well, how about we put some great highlights on from our season this year?
That's not quite what I had in mind. How about something really wild and crazy?
I was 4 under, for God's sake. Does anybody ever do anything around here? We haven't. And this man. Well, great. That's okay with me. I'm sorry.
No, that's not right either. Let's try this.
All right, I'm wired and inspired now. Fasten your seatbelts. Let's turn on the juice and cut the damn thing loose.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 13th annual First Place Sons of Pitches First Place Roast and Drunk. Another round, please. Put it on Jim's first national credit card. Okay, and now let's meet the incredible first place players on this year's Sons of Pitches. All right. All right, hold it down, and let's take time out now to meet those individuals that make up this year's Sons of Pitches first place team. We've got behind the plate playing catcher, Danny Bratcher. Tommy Two-Tone Cusack, first base and pitcher. Behind the plate, Gary Fuzzed Out Elliott. And our one and only number one manager, Tony the K, Tony Kohler. Rod, we call him the General Mills, our pitcher. Thank you, Roy. Third base, Pat, hit it over the fence, Moriarty. And at shortstop, what can I say about Ray Scooter Peters, huh? Out in the outfield, we've got Ed Ryan in left center. In the cage, Roy Sass. Al Sewell in right center. I can't say yours truly, so I'll say the one and only. That's right. And speaking of ones and only, here's Jim just before the perks kicked in right field. And at second base, we've got none other than Chuck Tyler. Steve Williams in right field. And in left field, Bob, we call him Bob's son. And how about our Benicia Sons of Pitches, Bill Arisman, Derek Diaz, Mike Grimba, Fred Wessel, and Dave Zavala, who transferred from the old Martinez team. Stay with us. We'll be right back after this important announcement.
This is a benefit, actually, ladies and gentlemen, to promote more dives here in Contra Costa. We've been losing our dives. Think about it. Whatever happened to the Hideaway, the No-Tell Motel, the Office, and other great fine establishments, as we all know and love, as dives? That's right, the dives of Contra Costa. We need more Hal's, Hal's of Concord, Johnny's Card Room, Diamond Deals, and of course, who'll ever forget the Blarney Stone, which is still a dive in Lafayette. Give your dollars generously to Save a Dive, Build a Dive, Contra Costa today.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've all been waiting for. Well, the moment maybe you've been waiting for. Here he is, the one, the only, number one, the greatest manager this team's ever seen, Tony Kohler. Let's give him a warm round of applause.
Hey, baby, this is a real man.
Okay, let's not get too excited, but it's time now to look over the 1986 statistics for the first place Sons of Pitches. That's right, I said first place. As you can see that, we beat all those other chumps all the way down the line from Lardo to a pair of ducks. Or from Burl's Blub to Swine and Wally's, huh? How about that? First place for the first time in 6 years. Let's take a look at this year's statistics and see who did what to whom.
My bows and my curtain calls. You brought me fame and fortune and everything that goes with it. I thank you all, but it's been no bed of roses, no pleasure cruise. I consider it a challenge before the whole human race, and I ain't gonna lose.
Ever since I retired as an active player and hung up my size 18 and a half sneakers, Pat and I get together for a light beer and discuss the biggest feats in softball? I say it was when Ray Peters hit his 2 grand slam inside the park home runs in the Martinez tournament.
No, Roy, I gotta disagree with you there. I think it was that heads-up play, Charlie turning that double play with the guy trying to sneak home.
Feet Schmidt. I want to know who's got the biggest bat in softball.
809.
Can I see that commercial again? Oh, I'm sorry. All right, now it's time to talk about our first tournament of 1986. It was played over in Benicia, and as you see on the screen, Sons of Pitches, for the first time since I've ever known this team, came up through the losers bracket to take second place in the tournament. We started off by defeating Superior, Mother Superior and the Nuns. That's right. And then we lost to the Martinez homeboys. Ooh, it was a going game. But then, onto the losers bracket, and we beat BIAS, Bias. That's right. We beat Bias. Then we got a ticket to the Magic Kingdom, and we beat Lunderland. Yes, indeed. We really starched their shorts, I'll tell you that. And then it was on to Benicia Baptist Church. Say hallelujah. It was 13-6, Sons of Pitches. And then we beat Anderson Carpet. Really nailed him to the floor, you know what I mean? And then we came back. That's right. We came back to the homeboys and walloped them 8-2 to get into the finals, where Bob shot us down. That's right. Bob's bullets shot us down 11-10. But we did finish second. And we did win games. We won games in a tournament. Can you believe this? This is the first time we actually won games. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 games in a tournament over in Beneca. I didn't write this. Roy gave it to me. It says Benecacia, but it's actually Benicia. So on to the next one. The next one, of course, is the Northern California State Championships that were held August 23rd at Twin Creeks. Beautiful downtown Sunnyvale. And you know the first thing we did when we showed up? That's right. We didn't pay our newspaper bill, and we got smacked by the Chronicle 16-7. But it's not to say that it wasn't a great game, because it wasn't. But there were a couple of individual efforts that we should mention, but we won't. No, Eddie Ryan did go 4 for 4. Rod General Mills went 3 for 4, I understand. And then we moved on to game number 2 before it was too late. That's right, look at that score. We beat the Dorks from Newark. Madco Newark Dorks 11-7. Some of the personal highlights from that game: Ray Peters went 4 for 5. Chuck Tyler went 3 for 4. Gary Elliott had the game-winning RBI. Then it was on to game number 3. Primos from Fresno. Sons of Pitches 12. Primos 9. Gary Elliott went 3 for 4, but Pat Moriarty went 4 for 4, scored 4 runs, and had the game-winning RBI. Pitches 12. Primos 9. Then it was on to game number 4. One of those warm nights down there, wasn't it? That's right. Pitches scored 8 runs in the second inning. But as you can see, the big bird flew over our heads and sent us home that night 21-11. But they sent us home knowing that we'd participated in one of the great all-time state championship tournaments. We went up against some of the best teams in California, and they went home knowing they'd faced the Sons of Pitches. The Sons of Pitches Hall of Fame was established in 1985 to honor those players who had made the SOPs a legend in 3 leagues. These men demonstrated the finest qualities of sportsmanship day in and day out with impressive career achievements. Our first 2 inductees were Mike Riddick and Mike Gibson. This year, we're proud to honor a man who coughed up $40 to come to this dinner, and also exemplifies the best in the SOP tradition. He played third base for the Sons of Pitches back in the old black and white era. We're proud to announce this year's inductee to the Sons of Pitches Hall of Fame, Ted Bryson. Let's go now to the Babbling Brook home for retired softball players and our sports reporter on the scene, Howard the Duck Stokes, at the Sons of Pitches Challenge Marathon Swim Race.
It's the Sons of Pitches Challenge Swim Meet. The infielders who drink less filling slight beer from Miller because they have to be quicker with all the bum checks those guys write, against the outfielders who drink great tasting slight beer from Miller because they are bigger, stronger, obviously lead happier lives, no doubt more intelligent, and, of course, have a lot more going for them. Of course, live and on tape from the Babbling Brook Resort, we'll see the likes of Pat Cabalsa Breath Moriarty. This man has got to be seen to be believed. Then there's Ray Saltpeters. Ray, an uncompromising competitor in any field. There's Chuck Toby Tyler, a man of split personality, yet competent on the field. There's Charlie Mo Larry and Shepler, a confused man but very, very funny. There's Bobby Kublazan. What else can we say? We'll see him later compete, and frankly, ladies and gentlemen, he is the one we're all counting on today. Rod General Mills, an outstanding man in his field and, I might say, in the water. Ed, I got it, Ryan. Well, we might take a look at tapes from Eddie from the 1954 World Series, that unbelievable catch in the stands while he's eating a hot dog in between beers, and yes, the last out of the game. Steve Esther Williams, this man's grace underwater is uncanny. And of course, Jerry Mathers as the Beaver.
Go, Ray, go, 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 go! Go, Rainbow! Rainbow!
It's unbelievable, unbelievable the speed of these young, oh my God, look at that. They'll have to refill the pool after this one, no doubt. The hopes, the dreams, the aspirations of the outfielders have been shattered. The man they counted on bounced off the wall like lightning. What happened?
Well, Jim, my lenses came off here, and I was afraid I was going to lose my contact lenses, and I stopped my race.
A likely story, much like the one we heard back in '57 when you quit in the World Series. Bob, is this just another fiasco or what?
Well, Jim, that was a totally different situation, and that, you know, the wind was blowing too strong, and my contacts were bothered, and I just had to beg off, you know. Totally.
Bob, let's take another embarrassing look at this quit again. I can't believe it.
It's time now to announce the 1986 winner of the Sons of Pitches Most Valuable Player Award. It's the moment one of you has all been waiting for, huh? First of all, before we get into the 1986 winner, let's run over some of the past winners of the Sons of Pitches MVP. We all remember back in 1975 when Casey Coleman, no, I'm just kidding. We'll start off in 1980. Joe Piona. 1981, Pat Moriarty. 1982, the computer got stuck. Pat Moriarty. In 1983, they got the voting all correct. Everything fell into place, and the correct person was chosen. 1984, Danny Bratcher. And in 1985, the winner was Bob Zahn. The winner this year is somebody that had 107 at-bats, 63 hits, including 23 doubles, 8 triples, 14 home runs. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm looking at my own column there. Hang on just a minute. Oh, yeah, here we go. He had 23 singles, 8 doubles, 4 triples, 26 RBIs, and batted an incredible
809.
Bob Zahn, this year's MVP for the Sons of Pitches.
I paid my dues time after time. I've done my sentence, but committed no crime. And bad mistakes, I've made a few. I've had my share. Champions.
It's unbelievable. The infield against the outfield. It's going to be, yes, a photo finish. It's too close to call. Just as we thought, it is, in fact, a dead heat finish.
But the real winner is...
Thanks a lot.
Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes.
It's a beautiful thing.
Are only one rung above politicians, though. You always know when they're lying. Their lips move.